Why is everyone speaking weirdly?
Hi, and welcome to Quiztastic. Can you answer these story questions? Listen to the story carefully.
Disclaimer, now let's start. On a warm summer afternoon, a weary traveler was sitting in the train station. He had only one bag and a small suitcase. Inside were just a few clothes and a book. The train he was waiting for hadn't arrived yet. He looked at the clock. Then he heard a sound. The train had arrived. The train stopped in front of him. He quickly got up and boarded the train. He didn't stop to check if it was the right one. The train was almost empty. The conductor checked his ticket and guided him to his seat. The traveler sat down on his seat and soon fell asleep. He was very tired. Time for a short quiz. After that, we will continue with the rest of the story. What does weary mean? What did the traveler have with him? What was the traveler's mistake? When the traveler woke up, he looked out the window. He saw green trees. The train was slowing down. Soon, he saw people standing outside. Then, the train stopped at a small station. The traveler stood up, picked up his bag and suitcase, and stepped off the train. Then he met the people. They were speaking English, but in a weird way. He stopped someone to ask a question, but the man also said something strange.
One step wrong, and here you came, but nothing here will be the same.
The man spoke in a rhyme. The traveler didn't understand him. He went outside the station to look around.
Why is everyone speaking weirdly? Where am I?
The traveler asked himself. Then something caught his eye. A paper was lying on the ground. Something was written on it. "Lost, let's meet near the big greenhouse," was written on the paper. But where was the greenhouse? Who wrote the note? He didn't know, but now he had a clue. What did the traveler find on the ground? Where did the note tell him to go? That's the end of episode 1. Comment to guess what happens next.